say 30 years ago, industry was what? Machines lagao and product banao. And coming back to your budget, we never exceed. That's the beauty of M.R. Varelkar. We never exceed. So hi, my name is Neena Shah and I'm the principal architect of my company. I'm working with M.R. Varelkar and Associates for 30 years. So M.R. Varelkar is they're very open to ideas and challenges, and they give complete full freedom for everyone to, work and implement new ideas, and they're always open to new technologies. Like 30 years ago, say pre-engineered building was new in India, and M.R. Varelkar is one of the very few companies where the PEB building was executed from our office, probably the third project in India. We are very strict on project timelines, budgets, rules, bylaws. Within the limits, we are free to work, and that is how. Why only BBL and Britannia? Every project is a process-driven project. I grew with them. So for FMCG projects like Varun Beverages or Britannia, for Ideal Ice Cream or anyone, not only of the product hygiene, but the people who are working inside, we take care of their hygiene as well. And we follow GMP practices and eco drains and airlocks and hygiene corridors and many other such things are involved in the project. I have to make the building efficient enough where the product is out efficiently, where the energy is consumed is less, workers' productivity is more. All these things I have to take care. And then the envelope of the building, where companies like Holodecor, we make sure that the building is sustainable, and we have been practicing this for last almost 25 years. Myself and our partner Parag, we both make sure that the topsoil is stored properly and reused. We use rainwater harvesting systems. We have started enforcing or training our clients also to have storage tanks where you can store the rainwater and then reuse it. We use low flow fixtures, low VOC paints, and in any event, whether you go for certification or not, my building is definitely sustainable. I make sure that they plant number of trees which have been asked for, in fact more than that. So for example, in Britannia, UP, which happened last year, so 1400 trees were to be planted. We planted 2500 trees because they have to maintain and grow the trees. Not all of them survive. So I make sure that 1400 hai to at least 1600 trees grow big. Britannia Ranjangaon, 350 meters long by 75 meter wide building. They wanted to break the entire building and build a biscuit plant. But we convinced Britannia not to break the building. That time we made use of ripple wires and hung the electrical conduits and HVAC ducts and all with those without disturbing the envelope of the building. That saved a lot of money. Government norms, we never deviate or go against them. We have a team of so many engineers and architects and experienced people. With our innovation in designs, not only architecture but in structures as well, we make sure that we are in the budget while making the building also look aesthetically, not compromising on many things. In fact, we are the people who started humanizing the industry. We realized that the people who are making the products which we use every day are staying not in a very good conditions. They also come from economically weaker sections. Why don't we make their lives better? Earlier we used to draft with the hands, then AutoCAD came into picture, then Revit, then BIM, now AI. So So yes, I am finding it absolutely easy, and I really like it. But AI should not control you. You should make use of AI in a better way. Yeah, ACP is something which I work with day in and day out, and I've started using ACP since it came into the country, probably 2000, beginning of 2000. I find this one product very exciting. You can play with so many textures. It is lightweight, sustainable. It is very, very cost effective. Recently, there is a project which we are doing in Jammu. Initial design was to make biscuit lines. We started the construction, machines also company ordered for the biscuits and all. After 3-4 months of construction, they thought, okay, let's not make biscuit. Let's do something very different, recycled plastic plant. So imagine, from a food factory to plastic waste cleaning factory was a complete, I don't know how many degree change it was. And it's a very challenging project for us. This generation is far better than us, that much I can tell you for sure. So they're very tech savvy, very enthusiastic. They want to bring in new technologies towards making a better society. Very much aware of the sustainability and how they want to make the world better. They're very fast, tech savvy, and they want the results immediately, quickly. If I'm sketching by hand, they're doing it on computer. I feel they are learning it in their own way. At times things take time. They want to take their own course, and then only it happens. So I've been using Aludecor products for almost 10-15 years, successfully using it, and nothing has gone wrong. And since then I have not received any complaint as far as the Aludecor products are concerned. I use this product in every factory. So Aludecor ACP, which I use for cladding, 4 mm 0.5 coil thickness, which is working very fine with me. Now that they have come up with this sand series, I can see the luster and different color shade shine, which gives me the texture paint feel. ACP is a big success and hit for my projects. Aludecor has changed the, I would say, changed the definition of facade building systems. Earlier, for say multi-storied buildings, we had only paints and some natural stones. These were the materials available. But since the ACPs come into the picture, I can play with so many colors and materials. It is lightweight, environmental friendly, and easily available, and it lasts 10 years, 20 years, nothing happens to the product. So yeah, with the help of these things, I try to make the building look. Aludecor team is always there to help me. They are now part and parcel of our projects.